Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons how you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Then scroll down to grade 5 maths. Then click on view all lessons and we're going to start with chapter coordinate plane. Here is the list of the topics we're going to cover today. We're going to start with coordinate plane, start with the lesson coordinate quadrants, then final test. Then we'll move on to the chapter variable expressions. We can do the lesson write variable expressions and write variable expressions word problems. Got it? This is the list of the chapter we're going to cover today. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and examples as well. Got it? Okay, let's start with the topic. First topic is quadrants in from chapter coordinate plane. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and examples as well. Got it? Okay, let's just do a quick review about the quadrants. So here we have x and y plane. This is the x-axis. At the right hand, this is the origin. Here both x and y are 0, 0. Got it? So at the right hand side, you have a positive x-axis. You have all positive values here. On the left side of the origin, you have all negative values of the x-axis, or either you can say it is x dash axis. Got it? Okay, right above the origin, you have the positive y-axis. You have all positive values here. And right below the origin, you have negative y-axis. You have all negative values here. You can say it is y dash axis. Got it? Okay, so this is the first quadrant. You can move counterclockwise like this. Got it? So this is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Got it? So in the first quadrant, you have both x. Just look at these values. X are positive values, and y have positive values. So x is positive in the first quadrant and y is also positive in the first quadrant. Got it? Now when we move on to second quadrant, you have, okay, when you move on to second quadrant, you have the negative x values and the positive y values. Got it? Negative x values are negative and y values are positive. Got it? Okay, in the third quadrant, just look at here, all x negative values and all y negative values. So here x is negative and y is also negative. Got it? Okay, now just look at the fourth quadrant. You have positive x values and negative y values. So x values are positive here and y values are negative. Got it? This is the these are the four quadrants. Got it? Just look at the point. For example, you have a point here. Just look at the point. This, when you match it to the x-axis, it would be -2 and it would be 3. That means the value from x-axis is negative here and y is positive. Okay, let's just start with the examples. Okay, which shape is in fourth quadrant? Okay, here you have um, so many shapes in the quadrants. You have to look which shape is in the fourth quadrant. So when you move counterclockwise from here to here, from 1, 2, 3, 4, it would be the fourth quadrant. That means in fourth quadrant you have the shape heart shape. Got it? Let's start with the Practice questions. Each coordinate or graph has four quadrants: left, top right, bottom right. Print out some coordinates and draw objects on each quadrant. Okay, you have to draw these. You have to draw these figures on the quadrants. Got it? Let's do an example. Okay, so here is the first quadrant: one, two, three, four. Okay, here is the four quadrants. Got it? So we have the shapes, heart, star, and circle. Okay, let's suppose heart shape is here. Then we have here is the circle, and here is the this is the star actually. Okay, so you have to look at the values now. Okay, when you match this value with x-axis, it would be 2 and -2. That means heart is at the coordinates 2 and -2. Got it? Okay, now just look at the coordinates for the circle. When you match the coordinates with the x-axis, it would be -2, and for y it is 3. That means circle is at -2 and 3. Now just look at the values for the star. It would be 3 and -3. So star is at the 3 and -3. Got it? So this is how you have to draw the pictures on the anything on the quadrant, any points on the quadrants. Got it, everyone? Is there any problem? If you have any questions, just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. I think we don't have any question on the tutorial. Okay, yes, we have. Which shape is in fourth quadrant? We are given four of the shapes: square, star, pentagon, hexagon, I think, or a heart. So which shape is in fourth quadrant? Yes, heart is at 2, 2. It is just 2. 2 and 2. Y is also positive right above the origin. So it is 2 and 2. Got it? Okay. So which shape is in fourth quadrant? This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So which shape is in fourth quadrant? The heart shape is in fourth quadrant. Got it? So select the correct option. It would be the heart. Heart is in fourth quadrant and click on the OK button. Okay, which shape is in quadrant 2? So which one is it? No one is answering why. Which shape is in second quadrant? No, not hard. This is just look at here. This is always the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. So in second quadrant, which shape it is? It is the square, isn't it? This is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Just move opposite to the clock. It would be the first quadrant. It would be the second quadrant. It would be the third quadrant, and it would be the four quadrant. Move opposite to clock, like from here to here. Got it? First, second, third, and fourth. Got it now? So in according to this, in the second quadrant, you have a square. Got it? It would be the square. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, now which shape is in quadrant 2? Which shape is in quadrant 2? Counterclockwise means opposite to clock. Like if you just look at the clock, the rotation in the clock is like this. For example, here is the clock 1, then 3, then 6, then 9. Okay, the clock moves like this from here to in this direction, isn't it? So counterclock wise means opposite to clock. That movement is always opposite to clock. Got it? So clock moves like this from here to here, but it moves in the opposite direction. So yes, it is a square. Got it? Okay, which shape is in quadrant 2? Square. Now just look at the graph carefully. Which, yes, it is a triangle. Triangle is in quadrant 2. This is the first quadrant. This is the second one. So in second one you have the shaped triangle. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which is shape is in second quadrant? Yes, the square is in second quadrant. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the last one is which shape is in quadrant 2? Which shape is it? Yes, very good. It is again a triangle. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, let's just move on to the next topic. The next topic is the final test from this chapter, coordinate plane. So let's start with the final test. Okay, what is the y coordinate of the purple heart? So the y coordinate of the purple heart is just match the heart to x-axis and y-axis. So when you match it to the x-axis, it would be 10, and when you match it to the y coordinate, it would be 2. So the y coordinate is 6. Heart, you have to look at the yes, it is 2. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you can start from at 5 9. You move left 3 units. Where do you end? So you have started at 5 9 and you have to move left 3 units. So when you move left, that means you have to subtract from the x-axis. Got it? The coordinates are 5 9, moved left how many units? 3 units. Now you have to look at the coordinates. 3 units means, let's suppose here you are. Here is, for example, here is the 5 and here is the 9. You move left 3 units, just move 4, 3, 2. That means 1, 2, 3. This is when now the new point is here. Got it? You can just look at the coordinates of the new one. Here you have 2 and 9. So the new coordinates are 2 and 9. That means you have to subtract 3 from the x value. So 5 subtract 3 is 2. So the new coordinates are 2 and 9. Got it? If you need more help with the topic, you can just find the lessons we did last week and find the lesson. You can complete the tutorial for this topic. Got it? You just have to move left from the position. So when you move right, that means you have to add to x-axis. When you move left, that means you have to move value to the y-axis. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So new coordinates are 2 and 9. Got it? It'd be 2, 9. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, graph the point 2, 10 on the coordinate plane. Okay, x has the value 2 and y has the value 10. So here you have x2 and here you have y10. Just make a point here right above the 2 and 10. Got it? It would be, yes, this one is at 2 and 10. You can match the value from the x-axis. When you match it to the x-axis, it would be 2 here and it would be 10 here. It would be 2 and 10. Got it? Okay, graph the point 1 and 10. X is 1 and y is 10. So it would be the first option. You can match. Here you have 1 and here you have 10. So it would be the first option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. What is the y coordinate of the blue triangle? Just match the blue triangle to y-axis. So what value it is? It would be 3. Got it? Just match the triangle to y-axis. So the new coordinates are, the coordinates of the y-axis is 3. Got it? Yes, good. Okay, where is the hamburger joint? So this is the hamburger joint. So what is the coordinates of the hamburger joint? Very good. Just matches to the x-axis and y-axis. So it would be at, yes, it would be 1 and 1. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, what is the x coordinate of the green circle? So what are the x coordinate? Just match the green circle to x coordinate. So the value is, yes, it would be 7 on the x-axis. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is, you start at 610, you move right 3 unit. Where do you end? So you moved right now. Right means you have to move 3 units forward to x-axis. Got it? So x is, coordinate is 6. Just add 3 to the x coordinate. Like the point is 6 and 10. Right means you move and this direction. 7, 8, 9. So it would be now here. Got it? It would be 9. So you have now the new coordinates are now 9 and 10. X just add 3 to x value. So it would be 9 and 10. Got it? So the new coordinates are 9, 10. Very good, everyone. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the y coordinate of the blue square? So y coordinate of the blue square is, just match the blue triangle to the y-axis. So it would be -4. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So if you need more help with the topic, please find the session we did last week, repeat the questions, repeat the lessons, and then you can do the final test. And if you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the new lesson chapter, that is variable expressions. So let's start with the first topic, that is write variable expressions. Okay, the new lesson is write variable expressions. Okay, let's start with the examples. Okay, write an expression for b subtracted from 109. B subtracted from 109. That means you have to subtract b out of 109. It would be 109 subtract b. Got it? This is the variable expression. Got it? So this is the variable expression 109 subtract b. Okay, the next one is write an expression for y increased by 47. Increased means you have to add y. That means you have to add 47 to y. It would be y plus 47. Got it? Yes, we have just started with variable expressions. Chapter variable expressions. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, write the expressions for n less than 217. Got it? N less than, that means less than means you have to subtract 217 minus n. That n less than means n is subtracting from 217. Got it? So just select the correct option and click only. It would be 217 subtract 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is write an expression for 166 and s more More means you have to add. So which option is the correct one? Which one is the correct option? The first one or the second one? It would be 162 plus 2. Very good. The second option is the correct one, as more means you have to add. So it is 162 plus s. Okay, which write an expression for 301 less than y. So which option is the correct one? So which option is the correct one? Less than, yes, it would be y subtract 301. Okay, write an expression for 97 fewer than h. So it would be, it would be h minus 97. Fewer means you have to subtract. So it would be h minus 97. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write an expression z and 40 more. More means you have to add. So the correct option is, yes, it would be z plus 40. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, write an expression for the sum of d and 255. So it would be the second option, d plus 255. Okay, which expression, write an expression for c more than 22. So which option is the correct one? Yes, it would be 22 plus c. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write an expression for 283 reduced by q. So which option is the correct one? Reduced means you have to subtract. So it would be 223 minus q. Got it? It would be reduced means you have to subtract. It would be 283 minus q. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, write an expression 28 more than W. That means you have to add 28 to W. So it would be W plus 28. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is write variable expressions, word problems. Let's start with the new topic. Okay, Simon has G gumballs. Ryan has 89 fewer gumballs than Simon. Choose the expression that shows how many gumballs Ryan has. You have to write an equation for Ryan. So it would be 89 fewer than Simon. Got it? So it would be G minus 89. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test because we are not given with the options in the tutorial. Okay, Julie had 27 series until she won See More in a contest. Choose the expressions that show how many series Julie has now. So See More, 27 she already has, and now See More. So which option is the correct one? First, second, or third? It would be, yes, it would be 27 plus 3. That means you have to add C to 27. Okay, Mika had 79 DVDs. Her mother bought her D more DVDs. Choose the expression that shows how many DVDs Mika has now. So which option is the correct one? Which option is the correct one? Okay, so it would be 279 plus D. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. There were F frogs in a pond. 46 of the frogs hopped away. Choose the expression that shows how many frogs are in the pond now. So which option is the correct one? Hopped away means they left the pond. Got it? So it would be, so the variable, yes, it is F minus 46. Okay, Tammy has 23 buttons. Katy has B more buttons than Tammy. Choose the expression that shows how many buttons Katy has. So it would be, it would be 23 plus D because D more. That means it would be 23 plus. No, Tammy has 23 buttons. Katy has B more buttons than Tammy. Show the expression that shows how many buttons Katy has. So Katy has B more. So if you have to add, it would be 23 plus B. 23 plus B because Katy has B more than Tammy. So Tammy has 23. It would be 23 plus B, isn't it? It is 23 plus b, not minus b. How do you minus b? Just understand the expression. Aaron has 30 peppermints. Jaden has p fewer peppermints than Aaron. Choose the expression that shows how many peppermints Jaden has. So Jaden has five, has p fewer. Fewer means you have to subtract p, so it would be 30 subtract p. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Shannon planted T fewer trees than Pecco. Pecco planted 76 trees. Choose the expression that shows how many trees Shannon planted. So it would be it would be fewer means you have to 76 subtract T. Got it? Shannon planted T. It would be 76 subtract T. Okay, the next one is Shad earned E extra credit points. Brendan earned 81 fewer extra credit points than Shad. We choose the expression that shows which expression is the how many extra credit points Brendan earned. So Brendan had 81 fewer. That means it would be it would be 81 subtract E. Select the correct option, then click on the it would be E minus 81 because uh, E extra points Shad has. So Brandon earned 81 fewer extra. So it would be E minus 81, not 81 minus E. Got it? Okay. Carter has 60 more bouncy balls than Randy. Randy's has B bouncy balls. Choose the expression. So it would be it would be more means you have to add it would be B plus 60. Got it? Okay, just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Bouncy has T trading cards. Clara has 22 more trading cards than Brandy. Choose the expression that shows how many trading cards Clara has. So it would be t more, 22 more, so it would be t plus 22. Got it? Okay, just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered the following topics. The topics are, so we have covered four of the topics. They are from the chapter coordinate plane. The first one is quadrants. Then we did the final test. Then we have started the variable expressions. We did the topic variable expression, right variable expressions, and the second one is right variable expressions word problems. Got it? This is the list of the topics we just completed. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topic we did today. Got it? So if you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, thank you for your participation. Your participation is highly appreciated. Thank you all. See you in the next session. Please click on the like button right below the video if you find this session helpful for you. Got it? Thank you all. Bye everyone.